Hello, golf cart lovers. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for golf cart buyers: reliability. We'll go over 7 popular golf cart models that, unfortunately, tend to break down more often than expected. Whether it's due to design flaws, high maintenance needs, or poor customer support, these models can be a challenge to keep running smoothly. Do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. At number 1, we have Icon golf carts. Icon golf carts have surged in popularity due to their affordable price and sleek design, but they struggle with reliability. Owners commonly face powertrain and motor issues, along with inconsistent battery performance that limits travel distance. They are like playing golf itself, unpredictable. My experience was marked by sudden battery disappearances, leaving me facing a long walk. Sleek design aside, these carts' reliability is a hazard worth avoiding. Some of my acquaintances have experienced problems with suspension and braking systems, which impact handling and safety. Despite their initial appeal, Icon golf carts can become a maintenance headache. At number 2, we have Linhai Crossfire golf carts. Linhai Crossfire golf carts are known for frequent breakdowns, often due to issues with the electrical system, battery, or engine. Users have expressed frustration with having to repair or replace parts sooner than expected. Many users report that the overall build quality of Linhai Crossfire golf carts is lower compared to other popular brands, with complaints about flimsy construction, poor quality materials, and components that wear out more quickly. When issues like these arise, users find out that Linhai's customer support is almost non-existent. Slow response times and limited availability of replacement parts makes this a golf cart to avoid. At number 3, we have Evolution golf carts. The name Evolution implies advancement, but my experience was a stark contrast. The cart I used seemed to have missed the memo on progress, consistently showing up late to the party. Or, in this case, breaking down mid-ride. Despite boasts about speed, I question the haste in their manufacturing process. Reports of cart parts literally falling off, including wheels, raise serious concerns. But the real horror story unfolds when trying to contact customer service, as well as when trying to find replacement parts. At number 4, we have Bentelli golf carts. Bentelli golf carts are a well-known option, but they often face challenges in reliability. Common issues include battery malfunctions, motor faults, and frequent problems with the electrical and braking systems. Battery life can be short, especially with frequent charging issues, while motors may experience jerky movements or even fail altogether due to loose connections or worn brushes. Owners often report struggles with customer support and the availability of replacement parts, making it hard to keep their carts in top shape. At number 5, we have the Yamaha Drive 2 AC. The Yamaha Drive 2 AC offers a smooth ride, but it's not without faults. Owners report motor overheating, particularly in hot climates, which can reduce performance and potentially damage the motor. Battery longevity is another issue, with some users experiencing premature failure, especially when used extensively. These battery and motor issues often make the Drive 2 challenging to maintain over time. In 6th place, we have the Tomberlin E-Merge. These carts are packed with safety features, but they're notorious for their complex braking and motor systems. Owners often deal with solenoid malfunctions and motor issues that can lead to unexpected shutdowns. The E-Merge also has a reputation for battery drainage issues, which can make longer drives a hassle. Regular, meticulous maintenance is essential to keep these carts functioning properly. Finally, we have the Club Car Precedent. The Precedent is a high-quality model, but it has some weak spots. Problems with the motor controller and solenoid are common, leading to power loss or stalls during operation. The Precedent is also known for speed controller and braking system issues, which can cause erratic behavior or even complete system shutdowns. While many owners find ways to fix these problems, They are frequent enough to warrant caution if you're considering this model. And there you have it, our picks for popular golf carts that break down often. Keep in mind that individual experiences may vary, and some owners may have positive experiences with these golf carts. However, based on overall reviews and ratings, these 7 golf carts are considered to be among the most popular, unreliable brands and products on the market. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated whenever we post new videos that might be of interest to you. See you next time.